Ooh la 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 ooh la la la.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on this cute natural crochet look. I'll be using this hot Afro twist by Janet Collection. Shout out to Janet Collection for sending me this hair. So I'll be doing a quick crisscross design in front. Right now I'm just parting everything out. In here I'm just applying some of my hair growth oil. I do sell this oil, and as I get my store ready, if you would like to purchase, just send me a DM and I'll send you an invoice. Okay, so for the back, all I did was braid it into 2 jumbo braids, and that will be the foundation for the crochet part of it all. So before I start the crochet process, I'm going to do the crisscross design in front. Now this part is a little hard to explain, but it's really not hard to do at all. I know some of my girls get a little nervous at just the thought of trying this style on their own. Sis, take a deep breath and take your time. You'll really be surprised at what you could do when you just take a deep breath and take your time. When doing styles like these, try your best not to overcomplicate it. All I did was take a section and part it in 4 squares. That's literally all I did. Just part it in 4 squares and rubber band each square off. That's it. So now I'm just going to braid back the rest of my hair, and I'm going to bobby pin it. I should have actually did the front of my hair first and then braided the back of my hair, but it all works out the same. No big deal. So now it's time to crochet. Get your crochet hook and let's get to it. And don't forget to oil your scalp. You don't want a dry scalp. That's not cute. Now I know by now you ladies know how to crochet because you watched my first video and my third video where I'm crocheting and I'm explaining to you ladies how to crochet. So you should know how to crochet by now. As I was putting the hair in, you'll see it gets really big and full. I did not realize it was gonna get so big and full like this. Like when you take the hair out of the pack, it seemed thin. So I for sure thought I was going to need at least another pack or two. 2 packs of this hair is all you need. I wanted a super natural look, so I'm definitely going back in to cut some hair down and shape it. Not that super big hair isn't natural, but super big hair on me tends to look a little ridiculous. But that's just on me though. On everybody else, it looks amazing, looks fabulous. But on me, it tends to look just a tad bit ridiculous. So I'm going back in, cutting some hair. Actually, when I finished recording, I actually went back in and cut some more hair down because it just wasn't giving. It was just giving too much for me. So you just want to keep cutting until you're satisfied. Okay, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. By this part, I done had this style in my hair for about 3 days. The day I started the style, I literally had an hour to wash and do my hair. And let's not forget, record. But anyway, I'm just adding some hair on top to fill in what I didn't get to fill in when I started 3 days ago. If y'all don't know by now, edges are my favorite part of the style. Like, I just love it. Like, I just feel like there's no style that can be complete without your edges being laid. Y'all better be making sure y'all laying y'all edges. I'm telling you, laying your edges make you feel like you're taking the style to a whole nother level. Even with old hairstyles, when I lay them edges, it really made me feel like I just got my hair done. As you already know, you want to lay your edges down. You could use a scarf. You could use a black tissue paper like I'm using. Just lay your edges down for about 10, 15, 20 minutes, and you're done. I think this style came out super cute. It was super easy to do, super natural looking, super quick, and I just love it. So, on that note, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Let me know your thoughts on this style and comment below on which styles you'd like to see me do next. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.